Hey up.
Hey up guys, update! It's now, what is it? August 2020, a year since this video was first published. And yeah, I've got a beard now. It's complicated, it's a long story. As you can see, there's a lot of Wraith behind me. And the t-shirt you'll see in this upcoming video. And, oh, what do we have here? Tall boy, shaker, bear with, you know. Oh, ASMR. Good. So yeah, updated video. You'll see me in the past, less beard, different background, less cool Joe in essence, demonstrating an unboxing of the Drink Wraith product. It's been a year since that obviously happened, and there's been a lot of changes. Mainly more flavours. What have we got? We got watermelon. We got sour apple. We got Emerald Abyss, obviously. We've got the tropical. There's the cherry and lime, and there is obviously the strawberry and kiwi. But less about that. Yeah, coming up soon. RGB berry, or is it RG berry? It's RGB. I like RGB, and the nitro orange. I've tasted both of them. They are both splendid. But yeah, this video I'm updating it because down there somewhere, the discount code is now TeamJoe15. It used to be TeamJoe10, but the lovely Wraith folks upped it. So use that to get 15% off your order, not 10 that Joe keeps talking about. Ignore past Joe, he's an idiot. What does he know? He doesn't even know that Cyberpunk is a thing yet. Or Fall Guys. You played Fall Guys? Good. Yeah. So, enjoy the unboxing of old Joe. I'm much more handsome now. Drink Wraith. Use code TeamJoe15. Right, go look at old Joe. He's doing a thing with a box. I don't know. Bye. Hey up guys, welcome to this unboxing video. This is different. I don't normally do this, but box. Wow, how young did I look? Right, gents, grow a beard. It's fine. It's manly. Don't. No. Yeah. Just wanted to interject. Yeah. Look at my Wraith. All that Wraith grew my beard. Disclaimer: not scientifically proven. There you go. This one, it turned up. Wraith. You may recognise this from Twitter. It's one of those newfangled energy drinks. I've got one. Yeah, should I look inside it? Open sesame. If as you can see, it comes with the finest premium noise funky paper. Ooh. Right, what's that? More. Good. That's not all. Not just white paper. Black paper. Premium brand. GG guys at Wraith. What do we have inside? Loads of things. If you don't know Wraith, go to drinkwraith.com and you'll find lots of lovely things on offer. They have just launched their offer 4 different flavours. There is Emerald Abyss, cherry and lime, strawberry and kiwi, and finally tropical. You know, got to have some tropicalness. And yeah, what have we got? Well, it begins with S. Let's have a dramatic reveal. Spin it around so you can see it. 3, 2, 1. Focus. Strawberry. And something kiwi. There we go, guys. That's it up. As you can see, it says 0 sugar and less than something. I think six calories. And in this tub, you get 40 servings. Very nice. Nice packaging. 10 out of 10. Guys, as it says there, join the cult. What do we see? Designed and manufactured in the UK, our sugar-free, naturally flavoured formula provides a quick and long-lasting source of energy with 0 crash. La-di-da. Add 1 scoop of Wraith to 400 to 500 millilitres of water to take your game to the next level. Well, if you've seen any of my Twitch channel, I need all the help I can get. Blah blah blah, stuff and things. First and foremost, we are gamers. And we love engaging with fellow streamers, gamers and content creators on every level. That's me! Or at least I pretend. You should definitely join our Discord server, it's got me in it, which is filled with people just like you, aka me. Chat about games and join in exclusive tournaments on our Twitch TV channel. This is not your average gaming supplement. Join the cult, drink Wraith. There you go. So yeah, one of the 4 flavours available. We had some sample packs. I was one of the founding partners, I guess is the technical term. Hence, up here, we have a discount code, 10% off if you use code TeamJoe10. Oh, me again. You know you said TeamJoe10. It's not that anymore. TeamJoe15. Listen to me. I'm wearing the actual shirt. So, 15. 15% off, not 10. 10's old. 10's rubbish. 15, bigger than 10. Good. Crack on. Plug. Go to it, guys. And we had sample packs. We got all 4 flavours. I really loved strawberry and kiwi and tropical, which is not what I expected. I thought it'd be the other way around, but hey, can't go wrong. I'm told they're making some slight tweaks to some of the flavours, so you know, try them all. See what you like. I went for the strawberry and kiwi. I'd probably go for tropical next. Maybe some cherry and lime. But yeah, what's in the crate? What's in the crate? What's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Well, you need something to drink this out of, don't you? Ooh, we got a shaker. Shaky, shaky. It's upside down. Shaky, shaky. La di da. This is pink. ASMR. Alright, I'll stop the ASMR now. What's in here? We have packaging. The shaker, it's pink, you know, strawberry and lime. Pink strawberry. Lovely. Lid. Inside. Funky shaker ball. Don't really need that, from my experience. And yeah, nice. All the lids and stuff are interchangeable. I've got a white one already, so you know. We might do some mix and match. I've seen some interesting combinations. So yeah, there you go. Logo on the side. Swanky. You can represent the brand while you drink. So far, a nice little stack. Yeah, good. What else do we get? Well, this is one of the crates. Crates mean value. In it is this. You can kind of tell what that is, I hope. I hope it's something the right size. There's a crate. You get the sticker, the tub. Ooh, I've spoiled it. Stickers. You get stickers. Guys, the stickers coming. You get the tub, the shaker, t-shirt, and stickers. What is the t-shirt? Let's have a look. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or hear me. Hi. The lovely Wraith logo. Very nice. Black. And on the back, Wraith text. This is where we do some fancy editing. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It fits! Good. I'm definitely still a medium. Then again, it's sugar-free, so I shouldn't be getting fat. But yeah, look. Nice t-shirt. Lovely. And if I spin around somehow. Ooh, peeping. Can you see it? And I'll do the other side for good measure. There you go. Lovely. Oh. Good. So, what we got? T-shirt. Shaker. Tub of powder. All in all, so far, so good. What else is in this lovely crate of ours? I heard stickers. What we got? So, you know, stickers are all the rage. Team Joe stickers exist. What else we got? We got that, you know, the logo. These aren't included in the crate, I'm just showing them off because I can. Cheeky dab. Dab on the haters. And the recent ones. Oh, I've thrown them everywhere. Professional unboxing, guys. Team Joe! Oh, look. Use code TeamJoe10. So yeah, 15, not 10. Again, this guy, he's living in the past. We now live in the future. The discount code is now TeamJoe15. Understood? Right, go use it. Yeah? Get yourself some lovely purple shakers for 15% off. It's like it was meant to be. Yeah. I best tidy up it after this. I'm in a right mess. What do we get? You get 4 stickers in the crate. We'll start with the funky one. It'll focus. The lovely glitch effect on the Wraith tub. That's one. This one's very nice and subtle. The Wraith text covering my eyes, censored. It's censored by a Wraith. Finally, the logo on the t-shirt. See? It's a matching size. Nicely done, guys. Nicely done. Yeah. And finally, kind of the alternative one. The silhouette with the logo. Remember, link will be in the description to everything: the Discord, the website, social medias, etc. My stuff, because you know, sell out. So yeah, I guess the last thing in the crate, which is exclusive for us partners. You ready? This is gonna be good. I'm excited for this. Final sticker. Gold Wraith founder sticker. Garrett, that's gold. It's very metallic, but yeah, that's gold. That's very nice. Hey, it focused. Good job, mate. I should do this for a living. So yeah, cool. So recap. Shaker. Flavour of your choice. T-shirt. Printed front and back. And then stickers. Oh wait. And if you use code TeamJoe10, it's not 10, it's 15. Use code TeamJoe15 at checkout for 15% off your order. Where did I find this guy? Seriously. I dread to think in a few months when I have to update this video again when it's TeamJoe20, but we'll wait and see if that happens. Yeah. So until then, TeamJoe15. Right. End video. Go on, hurry up. I've got things to do. Like and subscribe. You get 10% off. Hey. Good at selling out, aren't I? So yeah, shall we have a look at a live testing of the product? Ah. Guys, right, ready for a live sample demonstration? I've got a wonderful assistant, Mrs. Joe, on hand. Literally, do a dramatic reveal. Mrs. Joe, it's best work. Oh, it worked! Those aren't my nails. Yeah, good. So, tub. Which one? Strawberry and lime. I know the product. Shall we have a scoop? I should probably take the lid off. It's not that wonderful. It can't go through objects. Let's unscrew the lid. There we go. It's nice and tightly sealed in the fridge. I pre-chill mine, just saying. Sometimes I ice if I'm feeling cheeky. But yeah, here we go. Let's get our strawberry and kiwi on. Ready? Watch this. Magic transformation. Oh yeah, boy! She's leaving the frame. She's back in frame. Loved it. Thank you, Mrs. Joe.
Welcome.
You've done your country a great duty. Shout out Mrs. JoeR247 there for being an excellent cup holder. She's now got a Twitch channel, so go look up Mrs. JoeR257 on Twitch. Yeah, good. Right, that's some brownie points there for me. Yay! Good. See Mrs. Joe in chat, guys. Give it a good shake. Shaky. Oh yeah. Shake. And there we are. That was see-through a minute ago. So yeah, this is the white shake if you're interested. I've also got the pink one. Pink one's new, white's old. Yeah, should we have a little sample? This is Joe's watching with keen eyes. Fruity. And that'll do, mate. I feel like you remember the Coca-Cola adverts would always hold the can up with the logo facing the camera. It's very me right now. Yeah. Bang. I should go play some video games now and kick ass. Or do better than terrible. But yeah. That's it. That is the crate. That is Drink Wraith. Use code TeamJoe10. It's TeamJoe15. I give up. 15. TeamJoe15. Yeah. Right. I've got things to do. Can we go do something else now? 10% off. Good stuff. Right. You go look at the Drink Wraith website. I'll be waiting. Come join my Discord. Pointing. Hey up. Do it. You won't. Bye.
Hey up.